really entertaining. It tells a good story. By the end of it, you thought, whoa, what a journey we've taken.
It's full of so much comedy and full of so much joy, and it truly is magical.
Casey there's an exuberance, there's a joy about what he does. That's a perfect fit.
No matter who the audience is, they're having a great time believing in a guy who didn't believe in himself.
It sort of takes you on this journey through all these different worlds and all these crazy characters, but at the end reminds you that the magic is inside of you.
Alan Menken, fantastic. He knows how to write a song like nobody else.
We found our collaboration and our voice pretty early on. Tim Rice stepped in knowing that his job was to match the work I've done with Howard. Where Howard's work goes and Chad's work takes over is, I don't think you can tell at all.
Wanted to give it a different take, and you want it to be theatrical in a way that people haven't seen it on film. And keep the things that they remember and love and that are iconic, and then add to it for the theater.